Hey guys, so my GTI over here, I got it with the eye missing, so I ordered the part from online, and today I'll try to put the eye back into GTI. The goal is to make sure that you order the same lettering, and so I got mine from eBay. I had to order the whole GTI because if you just order the eye from, I don't know, different lettering system, then it might not necessarily match the same font as the rest of the other letters. So I had to get it from eBay. I ordered the whole GTI and just using the eye right now. I mean, I could use the new, used full emblem set, but I just wanted to add the eye. Me lazy work, I guess. I actually picked up weather adhesive from Walmart. Thing this cost about $4. Paper towel in my hand, also to clean out the area. I did earlier the other day, just kind of scrape off the adhesive that was on the car to make sure that it was clean and ready for when the emblem arrived, and so mine looks a little better. But I will, because it rained today, I will try to wipe off some of the water marks and try to show you guys how I apply this. Okay, now to open the adhesive, it's called Black Super Weatherstrip Adhesive. That's mostly for, as you can see in the image, right over there, kind of weather stripping your interior rubber trim, waterproofing your car a little better. But I heard that you could apply it to the emblems too a little bit, and so we'll see how that goes. Okay, the adhesive is very sticky and becomes rubbery, as the instructions say. You have to wait until it kind of becomes sticky before you apply to the final location. So for this part, I won't be able to film using my one hand. I'll try to apply the adhesive holding the eye from GTI in my hand to make sure that it doesn't mess around and kind of get applied to too much of areas I don't want to. Instructions, I learned that you also have to apply it to the center, more towards the center, so that when you stick the lettering on, it doesn't spread and kind of overflow onto the edges and become kind of like a mark on your car. So a visible mark, I mean, yeah. I've applied the adhesive now to see if I could get it onto the car without it messing and kind of see how it sticks. Right now I'm just waiting a little bit for it to get a little bit more sticky before I put it on the car. I might need to put a little more than what I had right now, but I don't know. The more I put on, I think the more it kind of flows to the edges, and it's just a small letter that I'm trying to apply, so we'll see. The eye is on. Normally they recommend you use painter's tape, the blue tape or whatever it's called, and put a strip at the bottom to make sure you align it properly, and maybe you can account for the spacing too, just to do it right, but I just kind of eyeballed it. As you can see on mine, there's a little bit of adhesive sticking out on top there, maybe a little bit on the bottom edge. I think I'm okay with it, and I'll deal with it once it's dry and properly secure, and I'll probably try to remove that a little bit over there. Get closer, you see that a little bit, at the bottom a little more, but I'll deal with it.